If you'd like to download this very simple to use digital yoga class planner, all you have to do is visit johncottrell.com. The link is in the description below. Go to the products page, and there you will find the digital planner. Add to your cart. Then go to the checkout page. Check out. Here you'll enter your email address, payment information, and you'll get to review your purchase. Click the purchase button. Your purchase includes digital downloads. Once your order is confirmed, you'll see the download button here, and you'll get to download your yoga teacher journal. It will download as a PDF in its own URL. Once it's downloaded, tap the Share button up in the right-hand corner. You'll want to add it to GoodNotes. Be sure you've downloaded GoodNotes to your iPad. Import as a new document, and there it is. If you'd like to watch a walkthrough on how to effectively use your new digital yoga class planner, click the link in the description to watch that video. If you have any questions about the planner or how to download it, feel free to leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching this video and how to use the digital yoga class planner. See you on the yoga mat.